In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange layers in Draw.io for Confluence. Let's start by getting into the right place. Open Confluence and navigate to the page that contains the diagram you want to adjust. Open the diagram so you're in the editor view, where you can see the menu bar and tool panels. That way, any changes you make to layer order will be reflected immediately on the canvas. Next, you'll open the Layers panel. This is where you'll control what appears in front and what sits behind. On the top menu, click View, then choose Layers. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to toggle the panel. The Layers panel will slide in, usually on the right side, showing a list of all layers in your diagram. Inside the Layers panel, each layer is listed in order from top to bottom. Think of this like a stack of transparent sheets. Whatever is higher in the list appears on top of the canvas, and whatever is lower appears underneath. This is especially important when shapes overlap or when connectors and labels compete for visibility. To change the stacking order, click once on the layer you want to move so it's selected. You'll see up and down arrows within the panel. Click the up arrow to bring the layer forward in the stack, or the down arrow to send it backward. As you click, watch the canvas update in real time. If a shape was hidden behind another object a moment ago, moving its layer up should make it visible. If something is covering your text or icons, move that layer down until everything reads clearly. A quick tip as you adjust: make small changes and check the result after each click. It's easy to overshoot and move a layer too far forward or backward, especially in diagrams with many layers. If your diagram uses overlapping images, labels, and connectors, prioritize readability. Text and callouts typically work best on higher layers, while backgrounds and decorative elements belong lower. When you've arranged the layers to your liking, glance over the entire diagram at 100% zoom to confirm that the important elements sit on top. Connectors route cleanly, and nothing critical is unintentionally hidden. If something still looks off, return to the Layers panel and nudge the order again with the arrows. That's it. By opening the Layers panel and using the up and down arrows to adjust the order, you can quickly control what appears in front, what stays behind, and ensure your Draw.io diagram in Confluence is clear, legible, and polished.